Mark over at Phillips Chevrolet of Bradley. We are sitting in a 2026 Chevy Trail Boss Silverado right now. But we're going to talk about the remote window operation. Not everybody knows about this, but you can actually roll down all of your windows all at once from outside using your fob alone. To do so, we're going to start here in the radio. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to vehicle, remote lock, unlock, and start. We're going to go down here, remote window operation. It is turned on, so we are good to go there. Okay, now, outside the vehicle, we're going to take our fob here. We're going to push it once, push and hold the second tap. And there they go. All right, we're ready to take a look at this operation here. Go give me a call. Number is 815-933-2251, except 733. Thank you.